For use with mason-type jars. Great for sauces, mustards, and jams. Odor-proof and stain-resistant. Dishwasher safe. BPA-free, environmentally safe. FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer FCARWJAH000 Wide Mouth Jar Kit with regular sealer and accessory hose. The FoodSaver Jar Sealing Kit with wide mouth jar sealer, regular jar sealer, and accessory hose lets you create an airtight vacuum seal on both regular mouth and wide mouth mason-type jar lids. For use with regular mouth and wide mouth standard size mason-type jars and lids. Preserve the freshness of your sauces, mustards, jams, grains, nuts, and more. Compatible only with FoodSaver appliances that have an accessory port. Airtight and odor-proof. Dishwasher safe.